back with RedClean this morning. We're in and around Milton Keynes with one of our window cleaners, Reece.
Hello, good morning.
Reece, you've how long have you been with RedClean now?
Only 2 months now.
2 months?
2 months, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you were here for that. Short time, to be fair.
Yeah, 2 months.
Oh, look, I just see some of the footage. Looks like he's been here for a few years, to be fair. Smashing out. But yeah, we're just out and about checking in on one of our window cleaners again.
At the roundabout.
On a quiet Tuesday morning here at RedClean. So we'll see how we get us on. So I'm on location here for a second job of the day. I'm with Reece, who's just broken into this person's back garden. He's just got a conservatory job going on as part of the window cleaning today. 2 of 26, wasn't it, Reece?
Yeah, 2 of 26.
Conservatories must be like the holy grail.
Yeah.
Like window cleaning, just pure glass. What's your reaction when you get one? You're like, yes.
Yeah, sometimes.
Oh, yeah.
All depends. You can get some really big ones.
A little bit of a minefield.
A little bit of a minefield.